Hi, I'm Anushree and this is Get Trek Fit with Anushree. Does just the thought of walking downhill give you knee pain? Well, you're not alone. We have many trekkers complaining of knee pain when they're on a descent in a trek or after the trek. So let's knock out knee pain with these next set of exercises. Do you know what causes knee pain? Muscle imbalance, tight hips, wrong shoes, or even hyperextension of the knees. Two things that you can do to begin with is make sure you wear the correct shoes on a trek, and when you're walking downhill, do not resist gravity. When you resist gravity, it ends up jerking your knee and you end up hyperextending your knees. So you want to keep your knees soft and go at the pace that gravity leads you on a downhill trek. Let's begin with the single leg bridges. These are really great to strengthen your glutes, your core and your hamstrings, which are very important muscles to support your knees. For the single leg bridge, you will lie down with your back against the mat. Lift your right leg up to a tabletop position. Make sure your hip is square. Hands by your side, and as you exhale, you lift your hip up and down. You're going to activate your glutes as you lift your hip up. Now we come to the supine straight leg lift. These are great to strengthen your hip flexors and also strengthen your quads, which again are really important muscles to keep your knees supported. Coming to the single straight leg lift, you will extend your right leg out onto the mat. As you exhale, lift the leg up and down. Now, as you lift the leg up and down, make sure your hip is square. So think about your hip bones as torchlights facing the sky. You will do about 12 or 15 one leg, and then you can repeat on the other leg, same number of reps. We now come to the sideline internal leg lift. These target your inner thighs or your adductors, which support the knee laterally. So what you'll do is you'll cross the top leg over the bottom leg. Keep the bottom leg straight and flexed, and as you exhale, you lift that leg up and down. Again, make sure your hip is facing forward and you lift the leg up, feeling those inner thighs or your adductors. Really great to strengthen those adductors, which support your knee laterally. So we do about, again, 12 repetitions on one leg and then repeat the other leg. I will now take you through the sideline leg lift. These target your glute medius or your muscles on the outer hips. You're going to again keep your hips squared, keep your shoulders nice and relaxed, and spine low. You will slowly work on lifting the top leg up and down. Now as you lift the leg up, again think of your hip bones as torchlights facing forward, and lift your leg up only to a point where your hip doesn't drop. Again, great to start off with 12 or 15 reps and maybe do 3 to 5 sets depending on how you feel. We now end with the lateral step downs. These are great to target your quads, your hips, and also engages the side hip muscles, which are essential for healthy knees. For the lateral step downs, I'm using 2 yoga bricks. Ideally, you can just use your stairs in the building. So you will step onto the yoga blocks, keep your hip leveled, and stand really nice and tall through the spine, keeping your neck long as well. As you step down with your right leg, you want to initiate the movement with the left leg. So what we do is work on bending that left knee and then lowering that right leg down and then lifting up again. Lowering and lifting. So even when you step down with your right foot, your hip is level. These are great to strengthen your hips and your quads and your hip flexors. Again, we do about 12 on one side and then repeat 12 on the other side. So if you noticed, all these exercises that we just did target all our muscles in our legs, which are key muscles supporting our knee joint. When you begin your training, make sure to start off with 12 to 15 reps each exercise. Start off with 1 set and then progress to 3 or 5 sets depending on how you feel. When you add these few strategic strengthening exercises to your training regime, you're sure to have a pain-free experience on your next trek. If you have any other suggestions for us with regards to trek fitness, do drop in your suggestions in the comments below. And I'm signing off. This is Get Trek Fit with Anushree.